Welcome. Let's study inclination of a line. To understand inclination of a line, we need to know two things. First, angle made by a line with positive direction of x-axis, and second, measure of non-negative angle. To know these things, consider xy plane and line L. Line L makes these four angles with y-axis and these four angles with x-axis. We need angle with x-axis. So don't consider these four angles made by a line with y-axis. Remember, for point of intersection of given line and x-axis, direction of x-axis from this point of intersection to right is considered as positive. Direction of x-axis from this point of intersection to left is considered as negative. Therefore, these two angles are made by the line with negative direction of x-axis. So, do not consider these two angles, as we need angle with positive direction of x-axis. Every angle has two arms. Therefore, angle PQR has two arms, ray QP and ray QR. Out of these two arms, ray QP is along x-axis. For directed angle, consider arm along x-axis as initial arm. So, this ray QP is initial arm. And consider another arm as final arm. Measure directed angle from initial arm to final arm. Similarly, measure angle PQS from initial arm ray QP to final arm ray QS. Measure angle from initial arm to final arm. Measurement of angle counterclockwise, that means in anticlockwise direction, is considered positive, and measurement of angle clockwise is considered as negative. We need non-negative angle, that means don't consider this negative angle. Non-negative angle means angle is either positive or zero. Out of these two, we get positive angle. What zero angle is? Angle PQR is formed by rotating initial ray QP to the position of ray QR. If there is no rotation of ray QP, then initial arm and final arm both lies along x-axis. Suppose final arm is ray QT, then measurement of angle PQT is 0. Such a type of angle is called as zero angle. We get positive angle and zero angle. That means we get non-negative angle. Measure of this non-negative angle made by a line with positive direction of x-axis is called inclination of line. I redefine inclination of a line. Measure of non-negative angle made by a line with positive direction of x-axis is called as inclination of a line. If theta is measurement of non-negative angle made by a line with positive direction of x-axis, then theta is inclination of the given line. Let's see. Inclination of the lines parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Consider a line M which is parallel to x-axis. Measure of non-negative angle made by this line with positive direction of x-axis is 0. Therefore, inclination of this line M parallel to x-axis is 0. Every line parallel to x-axis has inclination 0. X-axis is parallel to itself. Therefore, inclination of x-axis is also 0. Take line N parallel to y-axis. Measure of non-negative angle made by this line with positive direction of x-axis is 90 degree. That means pi by 2. Therefore, inclination of this line N parallel to y-axis is 90 degree. That means pi by 2. Every line parallel to y-axis has inclination 90 degree. That means pi by 2. Measure of non-negative angle made by y-axis with positive direction of x-axis is 90 degree. That means pi by 2. Therefore, inclination of y-axis is 90 degree. That means pi by 2. I hope you understand inclination of a line very well.